Hi there, this is Shantan from Express Computer, and today we are here at the sixth edition of the Data Center and Infrastructure Summit here in Mumbai, the data center capital, you can call that. So today we can see there has been an exponential growth in the data center industry in India, and there are many solution providers, many service providers who have contributed to this particular growth. As a part of the conference today, we have with us Mr. Balkrishna, Senior Solutions Architect of Percona. Hi, Balkrishna, how are you?
I'm doing very well, thank you. How are you?
All good, thank you so much. We will talk about how you have contributed in this particular growth, like, and what potential do you see in future?
So we at Percona, we are actually an open source company. We are truly open source by philosophy. So whatever we do, it is oriented to the open source paradigm. Now, say for example, the distribution of the distribution of the softwares that we build, that is completely open source. We don't have a proprietary baggage associated with that. So any customer who wants to use our software, irrespective of whatever the platform is, they can use our software, with all the enterprise features which is amalgamated in that. Now, say for example, if you look at the security features which are available in the enterprise variants of other proprietary players, all that is apple to apple in Percona distribution of softwares, MySQL, Mongo, and matter of fact, Postgres that we have. We are also coming up with a distribution for Valkey, which is planned, in the coming days. But yes, overall, what change we are probably bringing in the industry is, looking at a philosophy of where I need something from an enterprise standpoint, but I have that in this open source package. So that's the change that we are trying to bring in, right from the thought process, or from a philosophical standpoint.
So usually when you interact with your customers, so most often, like, what are the commonalities do you find in terms of the challenges that they face?
Now, most of the customers, they say that they are paying X amount to a proprietary vendor for ABC features, but then when we talk to the customers, say that all those ABC features are available in the Percona distribution of a particular software, but they don't have to pay for the software. The business model that we, secure revenue is through services and support. In fact, there have been customers where we have reduced cost for them around 40 to 60%, in the range. So that is something which is one, of course the customers are happy, and the word of mouth spreads very fast in the industry if it is cost oriented. So, when we go to the customers saying that this is also possible in open source, that is a surprise package for them. And of course, that is associated with an offspring of, cost optimization. It's a double wonder for them, actually.
Right, amazing. So one last question for you, Balkrishna. What would be, if I ask, like, what would be your one point focus right now?
So we as a company, our one point focus is, to be open source as at the fullest, and also help the customers, through our support and services, make them successful by adopting the open source software as much as possible. And of course, with all the AI buzz, we want to ensure that the customers get the best of the database softwares, that they can possibly get, that uh, that was made or being made possible by proprietary vendor, but can be made possible by open source vendors like us. That's the march forward for us.
Thank you so much, Balkrishna, for joining us and adding value to this event.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.